Calm down is a very common phrasal verb in English. It means to become less angry or less excited. When someone says calm down, they want a person to relax and stop being upset. This phrasal verb helps us talk about controlling strong emotions. Listen to these examples. Number 1, please calm down, everything will be all right. Someone is very upset and a friend tells them to relax. Number 2, he took a few deep breaths to calm down after the argument. The man was angry but breathed slowly to feel better. More examples. Number 3, look, calm down, we will find her. A person is panicking about a lost friend. Number 4, we waited until things calmed down. This shows a situation becoming peaceful after being busy or dangerous. Final examples. Number 5, the music calmed down as the night went on. The loud music became quieter. Number 6, she finally calmed down after crying for hours. The woman stopped crying and felt peaceful. Calm down works two ways. First, as intransitive, the subject calms down by themselves like she calmed down. Second, as transitive, calm someone down like calm her down. Both patterns are very common in everyday English. Here are synonyms for calm down. Common ones are settle down, cool off, simmer down. Informal ones include chill out, relax, wind down. These all mean becoming less angry or excited, but sound slightly different. Now practice. Fill in the first gap with calm down. Please calm down, everything will be fine. Second sentence, use calm down. After the argument, he needed to calm down. Try saying these sentences out loud to practice.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.